might give them a cup.
Thank you.
Alright.
Seriously, Blake?
Yeah, we can do this.
Are you getting in there with them, Blake?
Okay, trips over.
I will probably later when I have to talk further.
Oh, okay.
What's that?
Oh, you.
Oh, wave goodbye.
Y'all are awesome! Don't leave us! Don't leave us, players! The back rabbit. Yeah, got Stephen, Megan, Chelsea, Kristen. Bumper bump! Why are we going to the right?
Y'all are going the wrong way.
Oh, there's gonna be a Trenton, remember do this. Nice move! Other way, other way. All right. Marianne, that would be the problem. How are we gonna split? Well, I didn't get there. I just went right down. And she wanted to do it now.
Okay. This isn't gonna work. This isn't gonna work. This isn't gonna work.
What do you mean it's not gonna work?
I'm tilting over here. I'm like almost.
Scoot over. Not that much.
Alright.
Oh my god, I'm getting wet.
We got all the way on this.
Well, I know who's getting wet.
Stop. We do.
I'm throwing up there somewhere. No?
Hey, this is pretty cool.
Let's see what I tip over. This thing.
We're not tipping over.
Are you paddling?
Yeah. That was
Good. I like this seat. The best in the house.
not having to work.
Exactly. And it's not that wet.
Stephen doesn't know how to drive.
I do!
She dug.
The workhorse in the back. It's a race.
Hey there.
Oh, it's a race. Kevin.
That's not good.
It's a race.
We just figured you were letting us figure it out for ourselves if we were dumb enough to go to that side.
Stop. Give me a paddle.
Let Cheever go!
I offered to do it. He said he's the master.
But I think she said they're moving him to 20th.
You look great, Kate.
What?
You look great.
Camera's right here. Oh, they're catching up.
It won't be long, guys.
Every time we end up in the bank.
I told them.
Yeah, it's all the runoff.
It literally smells like poop.
Oh my gosh. They're missing all the fun down there.
Get back in the
Come on, I'll got you. It'll be full of water in a minute anyway, so it'll get cleaned off.
This is detritus.
I'm gonna fall.
Detritus.
I'm gonna fall.
Okay, we go.
Thinking nothing. Yeah.
Quicksand. I mean, that is too easy. Hey, don't touch me with your muddy paws. Alright, ready? Ready?
Let's go! Let's go! Come on, Miss Rowe! That's not the man like he knows how to canoe. That's not even right. He knows how to canoe. Oh God! Oh God! No! No! on, Keanu. Let's go, Keanu. Move right, move right. This is gonna be the fun part right here. You just go easy. We'll have to get a snack or something. Oh, there you go. Funny, it doesn't take much to get out of
How you doing there, Tayon?
I'm drowning! I'm drowning! I can't swim!